Yeah, Jonathan Wallace. I'm the president of Wallace Graphics in Duluth, Georgia. Yeah, we invested in the PageWide inkjet technology, as we've been hearing the past 10 years, and it's the future of the industry. We went to the inkjet summit about a year ago, talked to all the different vendors, felt the most comfortable with the HP press. Our business grew to a certain point that it was time for us to invest, and HP, being as they are in our backyard, they've proven themselves with the Indigo and their service and their quality, that it was a no-brainer for us to go with HP and the PageWide. Yes, the PageWide is going to allow us to do current work a lot more efficiently. It's going to allow us to take home more business, especially as political season comes around, and we'll be able to add more capacity, and it allows us to grow in different arenas that we're not currently in.